Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over the 3 Miles Overpass. This is the largest overpass in Jamaica, and it was announced today that this overpass is going to be renamed in honor of a former Prime Minister, Portia Simpson Miller. It's going to be the Portia Simpson Miller Overpass. They haven't, because it's two overpasses here, it's a double overpass. The road that we're on now is Hagley Park Road, and then there's Spanish Town Road below it. So they haven't decided if it's going to be the Portia Simpson Miller overpasses or the Portia Simpson Miller overpass. But it's going to be renamed in her honor. And if you've been following the channel, we have said many times that every prime minister should have a highway or some major roadway named after them. So this is an excellent idea. And this overpass is actually in her former constituency. She was member of parliament for this constituency for many years. So there was actually a Portia Simpson Miller Square where this overpass is. And when they were building the road, they had to remove the square to build the overpass. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.